Hi guys, it's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today got here the finished product of my Tallgeese tree. And I'll not go far more in details about this kit. I'll just say all the flaws if there is, and other to watch out with this kit. So again, Tallgeese tree here, and the other Tallgeese beside him, Tallgeese 1, Tallgeese 2. They're all the same. All the parts, all the building process, they are technically same model kit. Because all the features, especially the torso, the arms, the legs, the boosters are all the same, except for, of course, the head. The head of the Tallgeese tree is different. It has this V-fin and this mohawk there, which differs from the other Tallgeeses. And the shoulder armor, it's different with the Tallgeese from the Tallgeese 1 and Tallgeese 2. So as you can see, Tallgeese 1 there and Tallgeese 2 there also. They are identical, but not the Tallgeese tree. And the color of the Tallgeese trees are all white, almost all white, except for the booster and the skirts, the butt flap. The butt flap here looks identical with the Tallgeese 2. They're all blue, but for the booster, they're all blue as well. So I don't like the all blue here. I much like if they did somehow like the Tallgeese 2 here. It has a breakage from all blue. It has white and blue colors here, which I much like. Okay, so the Tallgeese tree, or I will say just TG tree. The TG tree here has this very nice shield. So this is different from the other two Tallgeeses. So it has this kind of whip-like appearance. Same with the Gundam Epion. So Tallgeese tree has somehow I can say a breed of Tallgeese 1 and Gundam Epion. For the gun, so the gun here is different. It's not the Dober gun, but this is the rail gun. But there's a problem with the railgun here. This thing here is a bit loose, so I will not open this because there's some looseness on this part. I will fix it after this review. And most feature of the Tallgeese here, it has this kind of annoying gap with the sheen or the legs. So there we can all see gaps in the Tallgeese 2 and also Tallgeese 3. You can see those gaps, but the gaps here on the Tallgeese 3 is very a bit prominent compared with the other two. And of course, the eyes of the Tallgeese 3 is a visor, and it doesn't have a Gundam face, doesn't have any Gundamish face here. So it's a bit like a mobile suit from different Gundam series. I can compare it with the mono eyes from Gundam Universal Century lines, like that. And I don't like the handle here of the gun. This is very loose. You can see that I used Dallin Decal hand for this, but still, even though it's holding that kind of grip. This is loose. I didn't apply yet peg for that. And this portion here, it always pop off. So I might put some super glue afterwards. And so we got also issues about the beam saber handles there. It doesn't fit so much or so tightly on the peg. So what I did is I put some joint tighteners and dry it up and reinsert those beam saber effect parts. Tallgeese tree here doesn't come with any stickers, so it doesn't have dry transfer decals except for the water slide decals, which I don't like applying. I still appreciate the Tallgeese one here having those clear stickers and dry transfer decals. So it has dry transfer decals. That's what I like with this kit. But for these two, since it follows the P Bandai packaging, so the P Bandai has this water slide decals in all their kits. So that's how I can what I observe buying a P Bandai kit. Instead of having these stickers, it has all the water slide decals. Doesn't come up with the clear sticker and dry transfer. So they follow with the what do you call this, water slide decals. So I might use some decals from other kits to complement these two, by the way, because I don't like using the water slide decals. And by the way, the price of this kit I bought from Hobby Wang, I just bought it around 700 pesos, or yeah, something like that, 700 to 800 pesos. This is a must buy. I can say this is a must buy. The plastic quality compared with the other Daban kits, Tallgeese Daban, from in terms of quality, they are nice. They are nice. I am telling you, they are nice. The plastic is not that brittle. All are tight. Joints are tight. Plastics are a bit sturdy. Especially the Tallgeese 2 here. I really like the plastic quality here. It's in par with Bandai, and at the same time having this strong plastic. But the polycaps, that's the problem. Even here, some of the polycaps are it's spattered, but just need some skills on how to fix it. Anyway, this is just a short commentary review for the Tallgeese tree. All I can say that the kit is nice. It's clean. Joints are sturdy. Just watch out for those battered polycaps. But still, it's manageable. Just put some skills on how to fix that issues. And yeah, this is a must buy. I'm telling you, buy this kit, and you'll not regret. Screamer Man from Screamer Man, almost just saying good night. God bless, take care.